Hi friends, welcome back. Joel here. Do you like chocolate and do you like peppermint? If so, these peppermint brownie cookies are a fudgy chocolate dream that I know you will love. Let's get to it. First we'll begin by sifting the 2/3 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of baking powder. Let's go ahead and sift that. All right, let's go ahead and set this aside. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and mix together the half a cup of melted butter with a half a cup of dark cocoa and a half teaspoon of warm espresso. Okay, we're going to go ahead and incorporate that together, mix it really well. I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 egg at room temperature. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the 1 tablespoon of peppermint extract. There you go. Go ahead and mix that in. That's good. I'm going to add a half a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of granulated white sugar. Mix that well. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add the flour mixture. Okay. Mix it in carefully, slowly, so it doesn't get all over your table. There you go. Okay, now the cookie dough is all mixed. I'm going to go ahead and fold in the half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Then once this is done, you put it in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. Let it cool down, and then we are ready to bake it. Perfect. All right, so they've been in the refrigerator for 15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and scoop them out and get them in the oven. I'm using a small scoop. You can use whatever scoop you have in your kitchen. So with this small scoop, I can get 12 cookies out of this. Okay. All right. So now we're going to bake it at 350 for 8 minutes. All right, so while the cookies are in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and make the ganache. The ganache is really simple. It's just a half a cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, a third of a cup of cream, and half a teaspoon of peppermint extract. Okay, and then I'll pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So just took the ganache out of the microwave. I'm just going to go ahead and mix it. Mix it well. Nice little glossy. Perfect. All right. All right. All right, so the cookie's been cooling down for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour the ganache. All right. And I'm just gonna drizzle the ganache with my spatula. You can use a piping bag, you can use Ziploc bag, whatever you wanna use, whatever you have in your kitchen. All right. Just like that. And that's it. All right, now, so I have a half a cup of crushed peppermint. This is just candy cane that I got at the store. I put it in a Ziploc bag. I beat it with my rolling pin. You can have your kids do this. That would be fun for them to do. But if you do, make sure that you put some extra. And I just sprinkle this on top. And that's it. Peppermint brownie cookies. So I would let it sit for about 10-15 minutes so the ganache gets a little hardened. But I'm too impatient, so I'm gonna go ahead and try one. All right. Isn't that peppermint? This is good. Wow. They're so good. Fudgy with the crunchy peppermint definitely screams holiday to me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to please hit that like button and please subscribe. But most importantly, please don't forget to treat yourself to a little goodness.